morning guys! Ayan, good morning sa inyong lahat. And this is our second day here in Oklahoma. Guys, bago ang lahat, ayan, nagugutom na ako, pati si paring David. And pupunta muna kami sa baba para kumain ng breakfast. Actually, late na ang breakfast namin dahil nag-edit ako ng video. And then, marami akong ginawa. Something like that. So guys, ayan, kita-kita tayo mamaya. And si David ay nagliligpit, natatakot siyang mawala yung gamit niya. So, sabi ko, it's fine. Hindi nila nanakawin yan. So, pero sabi niya, wag pakampante. You know, hindi natin alam ang mundo ngayon or takbo ng utak ng tao, di ba? Actually guys, gutom na ako. Ang tagal ni David. Hurry up!
Okay.
I'm
I've been
hungry.
waiting on you all day. What are you talking about? Hurry up.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
So guys, nag-check out na kami agad kasi wala na kaming ganang maglaro. What can you say?
We lost all our money. Let's go.
We're gonna go home, guys. Wala na, natalo ang pera ni David.
We have no more money.
Goodbye. I'm gonna wait you in here, in this.
Let's see.
What? In here. I'm gonna wait you here. Bye-bye. Guys, uuwi na kami ni David dahil natalo siya. Natalo ang kanyang pera. Kaya goodbye. Look at these flowers. In fairness, guys, honey, you forgot my...
I didn't know.
Grabe, ang saya. Nag-enjoy kami ng bongga ni David kahit natalo. Hindi naman ganun kalaki yung natalo, guys. Pero, wala. Ako lang kasi yung nananalo pag naglalaro sa aming dalawa. Yabang no? Guys, sobrang lamig. Mahangin na nga. Buti na lang tumigil pa ang ulan. Kung siguro hindi pa tumigil ang ulan, sobra pang lamig. So guys, ayan na. Kahit malamig, picture pa din. Oops, naipit ang ating. Yung iba ngayon pa lang sila nagdadating. So kami, pauwi na kami ni David kasi wala na. Nga na kaming dalawa. It's okay. If David's lost money. I won, guys.
He's a winner.
I won the money. So, parang nabalik lang yung natalo niya. Right, honey?
That's right. Whatever you said.
Yeah. So, it means wala pa rin kaming talo. Wala kaming napatalo kasi every time na maglalaro si David, natatalo siya. So, every time naman na naglalaro ako, nananalo ako. At every time na nananalo ako, nagkikwit na agad ako, guys. Sobrang lamig sa labas.
Take a picture there, real quick.
I did.
Take the second left, then take the next.
Course and video.
Woo, honey, at least we saved 300.
So they're gonna give us free rooms.
Yeah.
We're still looking for that big world na
There it
design. Where is it? It's in there. Because I
Take
wanna
the
take
next
a pictures
right
there
onto
before we
Roulette
leave.
Road.
Hey guys, nakalimutan sabihin sa inyo na hindi ako makapag-film sa loob kasi yun, nakakahiya at walang nag-film sa loob kasi bawal ata. Pero yung iba nagsiselfone naman pero walang nagtitake ng pictures. Ewan
Do
ko.
we have
So,
to get out to
turn
take
right.
the picture?
yeah.
We do? Because we
So-
don't have, we can't park, honey.
Take
Why?
the next
There's no
right.
parking.
I have no picture. So guys, pumunta kami talaga dito para ipakita sa inyo ang front ng eto,
Can
casino.
you take a picture from here?
This
honey?
is the front.
Huh?
And as you can see guys, you can see all the flags in there. All the flags, yan. Sa loob ng casino, lahat ng parang
It's
lahat,
supposed to be
it's all
Rome.
country,
That's
right?
supposed to be Rome, and that's supposed to be England.
England. Oh, we don't
Okay.
play in the England. Right?
Yeah,
We did.
Yeah.
Guys, ayan, pupunta muna kami doon sa loob para mag-take ng pictures lang, no? Kasi wala pa kami pictures ni David. So, let's go! So, ayan guys, ang ganda ng sign. So, guys, after that, dito naman tayo sa pinakamalaking, ayan, dito tayo mag-take ng pictures kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang, bakit? Pang
That's supposed to
Instagram.
be. Can you just take pictures while we drive by? Honey.
Turn right, then, at end of the road, turn left.
Please!
Where?
Here!
With the sign?
Yeah.
In 600 feet,
Oh my God, guys. Tiis ganda ang lola nyo. So, mga te, ayan, nagbaulikin yung manang Jing. So, kahit na maligmig, guys, sige pa rin pictures, no? Siyempre, ang layo ng trinabil namin, tapos wala kaming pictures. So, yun, kahit malamig, tiniis namin. See you later, guys! Up, guys, kamusta kayo dyan? Ayan, nag-stop over muna kami ni David dito sa gasoline station para magpagas and para bumili na rin ng snacks para habang nagde-drive siya, may makakain ako and malayo-layo pang aming tatahakin mga friends. So mga te, nandito na kami sa place namin, but gutom kami, so kakain muna kami ni David dito malapit sa aming place na sa siyang Vietnamese restaurant. What?
There's another Italian place right there, Francisco's Italian restaurant.
Let's go there.
Yeah, let's go there sometime.
I want right now.
No, we're
So-
going to Pho Time.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Mama Pho.
Not Mama Pho, Mama Pho House.
Pho House because I love Vietnamese noodles and meron silang spring rolls. Yun ay lumpia, guys. Lumpia sa Pilipinas lang, guys. Tapos dito pa spring rolls pa sila pero lumpia lang yun na may mga gulay-gulay sa loob na. Ski Marie Kitty, Ski Marie Kitty. Look, it's full.
Yeah.
Let's go to the Italia. Let's just take out.
You want to take out?
Yeah. Oh, here's our. I want the spring rolls fried.
Let's see what
Roll.
they have.
Okay. Oh, they have dumplings.
Those are cream cheese wonton.
I don't like it.
Roll if you want fried.
Fried? I want fried egg rolls.
Honey, the problem is pork.
Oh, you can tell them just chicken and vegetables. Why? Oh, hey guys, nandito na kami ni David at maingay. And syempre, ayun, nandito kami sa may bar kasi sobrang punuan. Etong restaurant ng Vietnamese restaurant. It's my favorite.
Thank you.
Now you're gonna put that in here. Slowly but surely. Oops. Oh. So much.
What's your problem? So good.
Try it again. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kami kagutom. Taob. Diba? Si David, oh. So, hey guys! Ayan, welcome back at nakauwi na kami ng bahay at ngayon kasama ko si Dana, ang aking college friend. Ayun, sakto tumawag siya, kauwi ko lang. So, eto siya mga friendship. Ay, Dana, say hi ka naman dyan sa vlog ko. Batiin mo sila, Ate Risa.
Ay, Ate Rita!
Alam boy, bakit ayaw mag-focus niya, mas? Ayan, babatiin mo si Rafael. Sino pa? Si Michael, si Lisel. Oy, si Lisel nagte-text yun sa akin. Si Marjorie, ayan, napakatibay ang love life. Magkausap kami nun kagabi.
Wala na rin